unboxed a 3-pack before, but it's always a first time for everything, right? So, how do I even approach this? Start from the right, work my way left, section out. Okay. And now you can get the most clear picture to date of the alternate Mr. Game & Watch poses, which are underneath each one of these 3 retro figures. Well, I guess if I wanted to change the pose on Mr. Game & Watch, that makes it easy to do. So, there you see the base. The poses just snap in like that. So if you want to switch to the 9 hammer, that's what you do. And there's R.O.B with his North American coloring scheme. Like the details on that. Looks like the old NES R.O.B the robot in miniaturized form. Pretty cool. And the Duck Hunt duo still want to shoot that stupid dog. No offense to animal lovers. I'm just talking about the dog in the video game because he always laughs at you.